Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're highlighting the best Joymemo Twins decorations for baby shower. The Joymemo Twins baby shower decorations set in a stunning gold and white theme. Whether you're hosting a party for twin boys, twin girls, or one of each, this set has everything you need to celebrate double the joy and style. Let's dive straight into what makes this decoration set a standout. First off, this is a complete package, thoughtfully curated to help you transform any space into a sparkling celebration zone. It includes a glittering, double trouble, bunting banner in gold that immediately sets the tone for a fun-filled party. Along with that, you get 16-inch gold, Joymemo, foil balloons. These aren't your average balloons. They add an eye-catching focal point to your setup, perfect for photo backdrops or dessert table highlights. Speaking of balloons, the set also comes with 10 gold foot-printed latex balloons and 10 gold confetti balloons, each 12 inches in size. They offer a perfect mix of playful and elegant, with the confetti-filled ones catching the light beautifully. Just be careful not to overinflate them. The brand recommends filling them up to about 85% to avoid popping. One thoughtful touch in this set is the white, mummy-to-be, sash. It's a simple but special accessory that helps the expecting mom stand out and feel celebrated. It's a great conversation starter and adds a touch of sentiment to the overall setup. What's more, the Joymemo's foil balloons are designed to be filled with either air or helium. However, keep in mind they won't float with helium, but don't worry, they look just as charming when taped or tied to a wall, window, or stairway. A quick tip. When deflated, some of the letters like B or O might look a little off, almost like a C or U. But once inflated, they form the correct shapes. So inflate gently and they'll turn out just fine. This set is especially perfect for baby showers, twin gender reveal parties, and even first birthdays. The gold and white theme is classy and gender neutral, giving you a cohesive aesthetic whether your twins are boys, girls, or one of each. And yes, the banner does need to be assembled, but don't worry, it comes with the ribbon you need, and the process is quick and easy. So to recap, the Joymemo Twins baby shower decoration set is not only beautiful and festive but also practical and easy to use. It combines quality, theme cohesion, and visual impact, making it our pick for the best Joymemo Twins decorations for baby showers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're planning a celebration for twins, this set could be just what you need to pull off a memorable event. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more product breakdowns. See you in the next video.